Is my screen is visible?
Yes, Rakesh ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. And again, good evening, everyone, and happy Independence Day. So let's start. Today, this workshop is regarding the digital visiting card, or we can say modern visiting card, or digitalized visiting card, or maybe if you will say in complete in a web development term, then we can say it's a web page also. Now here I divided this into 5 sections. One is regarding the welcome. So welcome everyone joining this workshop and happy Independence Day. Yes. Then second point, let's see what all these 5 points we have: introduction, outcome, then implementation, and last point is connect. So these are the workshop today's agenda. We'll first welcome, then I'll introduce a little bit about me because some of you are new, some of you already know me, WebAll. And then third will be what we'll see what is the outcome. Fourth is the mainly we will are going to spend time on the fourth part, and finally fifth is how we can go after, what we will do after the workshop, how we can connect after the workshop. So that part is in the fifth section. Now regarding the introduction, now many of you already some of you already know, some of you don't know, so I'll just give you a brief introduction about me and WebAll. So my background, I did my schooling from many different places because my father was in army. So I did my schooling from Delhi, Kota, Goa, Jabalpur, Bangalore also, many places, I think 5-6 places. And college in Thapar University, it is one of the top private university in Patiala, Punjab. And I started my career in Chandigarh IT Park as a graphic designer, and then slowly I moved to front end developer, and then I came to Bangalore. I started full stack development, and then I started training. So currently it's almost more than 6-7 years in the education industry. So, and the fourth one is now, yeah. So currently now in Bangalore. So this is a brief about the background. And present, I am a team growth manager at a Japanese company. So here I just added few pictures. And the company vision, mission, and values is also related to education for everyone. So this is where I align with them. So the company vision, mission, values is related to education for everyone. And me, so I'm the founder of WebAll, and our vision, mission, values also, here are some pictures of the students, and I did some trainings at different institute and companies, so I added few pictures. And WebAll vision, mission, values also related to mostly for a student. So we are like student obsessed. Our students are at the heart of everything we do. We prioritize their needs. So I'll not go into much detail, but yeah, we have 10 values, and these are the problems, mission, and vision. So our problem is the current education program not producing highly skilled industry ready professionals. So I did my also coaching like web development, graphic designing, but the amount which I paid, it was not up to the mark, the training I got. This is from there I got the point that I should start teaching, helping students who face the same problem. And the mission is, hello Kiran, good evening, happy Independence Day.
Good evening, Rakesh. Thank you.
Now mission is to empower students with a world-class quality web education and practical skills. So mostly we focus on the practical part, and not only in the coding part, but also in the personality wise, how we need to remain aligned with today's demand. So vision is to be a leading global academy and largest community in web education. So this is our problem, mission, vision, and these are the 10 values. So first is student obsessed. Then we keep all the communication transparent, long-term thinking, make short-term sacrifices for long-term success, and we are a continuous learning, and then only we can deliver the highest quality to our students. And holistic growth, not only pointing only one thing. So then empowerment, collaboration, integrity, and community to build an ecosystem which is based on the principle of love, connection, and care. And finally, go all in. So commit fully, work smart, take initiative, and get things done. So this is about the WebAll Academy. We have the values and the future. Let me close this. Now the future which I see for myself is in WebAll. So it's like a lifelong learning for me as well as for the company. And we are here to help 10 million students. And then of course we want to I want to spend more time with family. So this is what I look in the future side. So working on WebAll, on spending more time with family, and also creating a community of um, web web developers or related to IT education, how to create a environment to create different workshop, and bringing new teachers from the community. So focusing on these three things. So WebAll, family, and then finally the community to help each other. Yes. So this is about the introduction. Any, I think no questions so far. Yes. But just let me ask if anyone have any like questions till this point. You can stop me anytime whenever you have any doubt. I'm using this tool called xmind.ai. You can also use this whenever you want to create these kind of mind nodes. Now next is outcome. So we are going to create, I already shared multiple posts in the WhatsApp. The output is going to be look like this. Just decode me.github.io and connect. This is my username. When we go to this URL, it is going to look like this. And we can open this in mobile. Like in mobile, it is going to visible like this. So this is our this class. So everyone is going to have this output after 1 hour. So you just need to focus on for half an hour, 1 hour. And at the end of the class, everyone is going to have this colorful, beautiful, easily shareable digital visiting card. So everyone is excited. Great. So this is the output, and whole reason to join the workshop. I think I got the idea. So some of you already know me, and some of you, Ravi, and few others. So want to explore the workshop. So this is the outcome. Now let's directly dive into the implementation part. Now in implementation, we'll first start with the setup. Here we have 5 steps. First is setup, then distribute. I'll distribute the code to you so that you can make the changes. I'll guide you where to make the changes, some small places. Then once we make the changes, we will create a repository. So repository is nothing but a folder. So this is nothing but a folder. In technical terms, we say repo or repository. But this is just a folder on GitHub website. And finally, then we will make it a live. So is everyone ready with the, let me show the setup also. So we need to download, install VS Code. VS Code is recommended one, because in future also, if you want to edit some code, you are going to use digital marketing, some Google Ads, Google Analytics, always you download some code. So you need some kind of a code editor. So I recommend that for future purpose also, you have VS Code installed. Whether you are doing web development or not doing, it is required for normal to day-to-day work also. If you are in a maybe product development department or as a digital marketer or in a web developer. So I recommend to use VS Code. It is lightweight and have a lot of functionality. And then sign up on GitHub. So I added the links here and I'll share in the chat as well. How many of you already completed this part? Here is the chat. Can you write in the chat if you have completed? I just want to know if you have, because I'll ask you to share the screen. I can do easily. I'll ask one of you to share the screen when we come to the making some changes. I shared the link for the VS Code in the chat. You can click on that and download it. It will be going to look like this. Download Visual Studio Code based on your Windows operating system. You can download. This is for Windows, this is for Linux, and this is for Mac OS. So you just simply click on download buttons. In the chat, you can put how many of you already completed the first step. No one? Okay, Pari downloaded, installed. Okay, sure, Pari. So if anyone need any help, if you are facing any difficulty in downloading or installing, let me know. Because most of the time this setup is required. It will take the more time. Other than other things are more simple. Just the setup is the setup is the like time consuming thing and also the main important thing. Okay, great. Now this is, you need to download the software. GitHub is the website. Sign up on GitHub, like how we sign up on Gmail, Microsoft, or any other account, Facebook, Instagram. Same way we have to make an account on GitHub. This is for related to coding projects. So I already have the accounts, and if you see, I have, I think, lot of repositories. Maybe I'll show you. I have 239 repositories. So 239 repositories means 239 projects I have in my GitHub account. Whenever I am working on WebAll or related to any freelance project or anything, I create a GitHub repository. Using GitHub, we can easily publish it. We can easily make the changes. We can go to the history. Even if in my laptop, if it is not working from tomorrow, still I have all the access to my code. So everything is there. So here I already have the account. In your case, you need to go to this website, github.com, and then click on sign up. Welcome to GitHub. Let's begin the adventure. And here you need to put your email ID and click on continue. Then it will ask for verification. They'll keep on changing the interface. So this part, how many of you already completed? Sign up on the GitHub. Ruchita, Sayyad, Pari, Ravi, Kiran, anyone who is already have the account on GitHub? Okay.
Rakesh, I am just listening because I'm driving on the way to Bangalore. So
Okay. Sure, Kiran.
I will, sorry, but I will do it later along with your help.
Okay. Got it, Kiran. Thank you for the information.
Yeah.
Okay, Pari. So let me know, Pari, if you face any difficulty. And I see Ruchita completed this part. Okay, sure, Ravi. Thank you. So let's start. So Ruchita have both VS Code and the GitHub account ready. So maybe I can show with taking her help. And the third option we need is one square shape image. Now, why square shape image? Anyone, any idea why the square shape image is required for this? You can unmute anytime if so, if it is possible for you, so that I don't feel that I am only the speaking one continuously. So if you go to output, yes, Ruchita. So why the square image?
To add it on the card.
Yes, because if we take the square, we can make it circle easily. But if it is not a square, it will look like a elliptical shape, maybe like egg type, or maybe very horizontal or vertical. It will not look good. If it is square shape, we can make it a perfect circle using just one line of code. So that's why we need, if a square image is better. Always you see most of the places square image. Here this is a square image, sorry, this is a circle. So most of the places it is a circular image, and here also you see this is a perfect circle, this is also circle, and that is the reason we also going to create a circular image. But you don't need to create a circle, it's fine to have a square image. So these three things are required, and I see Ruchita and Pari almost did these things, so I can take help from them to share the screen. Ruchita, you can share the screen when I ask you, like when we make some changes.
Sure,
Is it possible?
Rakesh ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now let me distribute the, so setup is kind of done. Let me know anytime if you're facing any problem in the setup part. Now we will do the, I'll distribute the code. Already this code is there. So see here, connect. Everything is on GitHub for me. I just updated 1 hour ago. And these are the files, these 4 files. This is the output, this is my image, and some styling files are there. So you don't have to understand all these files. For everyone, main thing is output. So if you don't understand the code, it's completely fine. Now let me share the, okay, Parit, thank you, great. Let me go to GitHub folder. I'll share you the code. You can open this WhatsApp in laptop. I'll share the file in directly in WhatsApp. You can download from the laptop. There is the connect. I'm creating a zip file, and I'll send this on WhatsApp and also in the, so let me drop in the WhatsApp. Now you can download from the WhatsApp. I send you the connect.zip file. Check if you can download it. After downloading, you can download maybe on desktop. Suppose you just copy paste on the desktop like this. Give me just 1 minute. Yes. So yeah, this connect is downloaded. Connect folder. You can download on either on desktop or downloads. Let me know once done. How to download? Very simple. Okay, let me share my screen. See here. Just simply you need to click on this download button. So go to this WhatsApp group and click on this download button. Is my screen visible? Okay. So here you need to click on the download button here. Once you click, automatically it will be downloaded. You see here, connect, and then we click on this folder, show in folder. So it is downloaded here in my downloads folder. From here, we can bring on the desktop because I have so many things downloaded here. I'll just put on the desktop. Here, WhatsApp link. Okay, Sayed, I'm sharing you the WhatsApp link. Let me know once downloaded is done for Ruchita, Pari. It's done.
Yes, Rakesh ma'am. I've downloaded the folder.
Okay. After downloading, we have to unzip it. Okay. So if you are using Mac or something, it depends on your system. And you can right click this and WinRAR and extract to connect like this. It depends on your operating system, what you are using. If you don't have this WinRAR software, then maybe you can use something called extract all, this option also. In Windows, if you don't have this software WinRAR, then you can use this option, extract all. Yes, Pari, there are 4 files, right? Yes, great. Okay, let's move to next part. So distribute code is done. Now we'll see how to make the changes. Now I need help from either Pari or Ruchita. So making changes means we need to open our folder. So how to make changes? We are going to open our connect. So everything should be in small. Connect folder in VS Code so that we can make the changes. Whatever files you downloaded, those are coding files. So we need to see the coding, and for that we have to open this folder in VS Code. I'll help you. So who will share the screen, Pari or Ruchita? Who want to go? Okay, sure, Pari. So let me stop my screen sharing and let me enable. Yeah, you can share your screen. Okay, great. Wow. So we can see now Pari will become a web developer. So here, this is a welcome tab. We can close it. Pari on the, yeah, we can close it and then um, click on the left side top icon. Yeah, this one, and click on open folder. And from here you can select the desktop, that connect folder. We can see, I think, only VS Code. I'm not able to see other screen. Okay, perfect. You can click on yes. It's fine. Okay, awesome. And Pari, this is coming again and again, this welcome screen. What you can do is, okay, I was about to tell you how to close it for always, but it's fine. Now here we have 4 files. One is the HTML, one is my picture, one is script file for the logic, and one is the style. So total, one is the picture that we can leave, and apart from that, 3 files: HTML, HTML, JS, and CSS. HTML is whatever you're seeing on the screen. Yeah, here all the code is written, what you are seeing on the screen. JS is the logic. So yes, so here all my social media link, everything is there. And style.cs is the colors, where all the colors, font size, how much big, what is the color, what is the alignment, everything is written in this file. So we don't have to touch most of the things. We can leave it as it is. And we can start with the Parik, can you go to index.html file? Yes, here on line number 23, 21, you see my name. Can you can change that name to your name. This is for everyone. This is how you have to do. So you can see how Pari is doing the making the changes. Same thing you have, everyone can do the same things. And Pari, you can put some whatever your like designation, your company, your community name. You can put something now, and later you can change it, modify later also. Awesome, great. Now here you can change the phone numbers. This phone number is at yes, one more place. Yeah, here also. And here actually I added two phone numbers. So 1 second, Pari. I just to demonstrate you. Can you save this file? Control S. Press Control S. Yeah, it is saved. And can you go to the connect folder and double click on the file, so that that file will open in the browser, not here, in the normal folder. And you have to share the full screen so that we can see the browser also. Can you share like entire screen so that we can see, go to VS Code and Chrome browser? Yes, so we are going to change the images and everything. Now here what I wanted to say is that I added two phone numbers because sometimes for some of you, you have different WhatsApp number, different calling number. So for that purpose, there are two different numbers are there, but if you want, you can keep one. So Pari, you can remove the second one. We can keep only one. So we can go to VS Code. And the second one, I'll tell you what line numbers you have to remove. No. Don't select line number 34. Select 35 to 41. Yeah. So everyone, you can remove this block when if you don't need that WhatsApp number thing, you can remove this block. So Pari, you can remove this whole block because you are going to add the same number, right? So this block is not required. 1 second, one more change. So instead of removing, can you bring line number 38 and 39? Yeah, select it, Control X, cut it, and go to line number 32. Yeah, you can paste on line number 33. Perfect. Now you can remove this 37 to 42. So what we did it, we just bring the icon, WhatsApp icon, to the first phone number. That's it. And you can change the number here. Ruchita, you are doing side by side?
Yes, Rakesh, I'm following it.
Okay. So for everyone, what we did here is we have two phone numbers. One is for phone number, one is WhatsApp number. So we just brought the WhatsApp icon to the first number so that anyone user can click either on phone or on WhatsApp. Okay. And one more place is there. Yes, line number 40. Perfect. And here you can change to your website. Now your website name is a little bit lengthy. In that case, you can remove the HTTPS in the beginning. So this is very easy. Just you need to get the code, make some changes, and after 20-30 minutes of making some changes, then your digital card will be live. I already did all the hard work. You just need to make the changes. Pari, you can remove that HTTPS that is not required in the beginning. Line number 44. Not here, not here. Line number 44 only. Control Z. Yes, because the website name is very lengthy. Yes, so this is fine. You can now save the file. I'll tell you what other changes are there. You can save the file for now. We can make these changes later, Pari. Let's see the changes for now. Save the file, and let's change the picture also. Once we change the picture, then it will look proper. Now, whatever your picture is there, square image, you can bring here. You can close this. So you can bring your picture. You can just go to wherever your picture is, just copy that file. You can put this file in connect folder. Not like this. You have to put this file in connect folder. Yes, and you can rename this to Pari. So we don't use capital letters and numbers in the file name. You can rename it, enter, rename, and just make it Pari. Simple. Okay, enter. And now you can change, you can go to HTML file. Yeah, this one you can delete. Move to trash. Go to HTML file and change the file name. So it is on the line number 20. That is my image is there. You can make your, it is pari.jpg. Yes, now save and go to the browser, reload. See, now here, this is the reason we need a square image. So this is not looking like professional. So Pari, after this session, you can crop this file, right? Or you can crop now. I think you can just double click that image, and maybe Apple have, I think Mac OS have default image editor. Just double click on that image and edit that last option. And here, can you make it? Yeah, this one. So from the first option, instead of custom, I think there should be some square option. Yeah, you can select any one. No, no, no. That another box is there. Uncheck that. That scale proportionally. That and we can't make it here. Remove that scale proportionally. That option. No, no, no. Sorry. We have to keep it. Otherwise, it will become like this. And share the zip file. Okay, Sayed, I'm sharing the zip file. Um, from here, select 600 by 600, Pari, 640, and click OK. Yeah, you can use this image for now, and later you can change. I think there should be some option to crop. Now you can reload the browser, and it will be little bit not changed. I think that file is not saved. After editing, you not save the file. Saved. Go to the browser. It's already changed. Go to the browser, and can you use Command Shift R shortcut? Command Shift R. No, I think some cache problem is there. The image is changed. Maybe after some time it will be corrected. Yes, perfect. Okay, now here, yes, Pari. So most of the things are done, and the last thing, your website name is very lengthy. So that how we can solve is either we have to increase the size of the cell, or you can put like go to my website. You can put something like that. So can I go to my website or visit website? You can put the text visit website, because on mobile this much lengthy text is not going to see in one line. So you can write visit website. Yeah, this line. This is also fine. Try save and reload. Oh, perfect. Yes. And the last option is the connect one. So Pari, let's give chance to others. So any questions, Pari? Thank you so much for sharing the screen. Now, Ruchita, you want to share the screen?
Sure, Rakesh.
Okay. And Sayed, I have shared this link in the group again in the connect.zip. And Ruchita, you can also share the entire screen because we need to switch different windows. So these are small changes are there. If you do 1 or 2 times, then you will be like be perfect in making these changes. Can we see the output, Ruchita? Okay. Oh, perfect. Looks great. So let me explain how to change the social links. So Rusta, can you click on any social links for now? It will go to WebAll social link. Can you click on any social link at the bottom? Let's connect. Scroll down in the browser. Scroll down and click on any social link.
Sorry, Rakesh, I lost you for a few seconds.
Okay.
Can you repeat again?
So now we are going to see how to make the changes in the social links at the bottom.
Okay.
Now currently these are the WebAll related. So can you click once just to show everyone how it is going to work. So first one is about the Telegram. So for I have created this Telegram so that anyone can join. So like this, I have different social links. Now let's see how to make changes. So Rusta, you can go to the VS Code, and now these social links are written in JavaScript file. Can you go to or sorry. So for everyone, if you want to make changes in the social links, here are all. I have written everything in just one place. Because in HTML it was many lines, so I just make some logic, JavaScript logic, and you can change everything from here. So Ruchita, you can if you don't have Telegram, maybe you can remove the first link. So if Telegram is not there, so you can remove line number 6 to 11. So this is how you can remove any social media if you don't want to see there. You can remove YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever is you don't have that particular social media block, you can remove from here. And save this file, Rita. And can you share the screen again? Save this file and reload the browser. See here, that part is removed. Telegram is not there. Now we can just, Rita, can you update any one link? Go there in the coding, in the VS Code. So everyone, you need to change only these lines, href, line number 7, line number 13, line number 19, line number 25, line number 31, depending on whatever your social media link. So that one you can put. And if you see, actually you need to change only the last your username. Otherwise, most of the things remain same. For example, in Instagram, line number 19. you need to make it instagram.com, then after / your username. Rusta, can you try any one of them with your username? Either Facebook,
Yes,
LinkedIn, or Instagram.
I think I'll do for LinkedIn.
LinkedIn will be a little bit different. It is not my LinkedIn profile is the company profile. It is not the personal profile.
Oh, okay.
So for LinkedIn, the path will be let me
For
check.
Instagram, only the last name will be changed.
Yeah, Instagram also you can put line number 19.
Okay.
Only the last part, whatever your username, Instagram username, that you can put. And
Okay.
for LinkedIn, I'll put in the chat. This is the format for LinkedIn. Okay, can you try now? Done? Rista, it's done.
Yes, Rakesh.
So can you just show everyone that now click on Instagram. We'll go to your social. Yes, Raghavendra.
Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you, Rista. So this is how everyone, you can just paste your links in that file. That is the script file. You just need to, whatever your social media links are there, you can add there. Thank you very much, Ruchita. And
Thank you.
yes, thank you. I'll share my screen now. Thank you very much. So Raghavendra, can you please send connect.zip file on email? From WhatsApp it shows downloaded, but file is unidentified. Raghavendra, is it possible to share the screen so that I can guide you? Will that be possible?
Yeah, sure, I can share.
Okay.
One second.
So this is just the beginning for digital card. You can do many interesting things. I'll just show you once we finish this small
Is
Raghavendra
it
facing
visible
some
now?
problem. Yes, we can see.
See, when I
So
just
you can
click here on WhatsApp, so it just says it's downloaded, but this doesn't get downloaded actually. There is some
okay.
issue on this. It's a non-issue, so that's why I want to.
Okay. Can you go to the browser once again?
Yeah,
And can you make it full screen? This is you are using
I'm using Brave. Okay,
Brave.
I'll take one thing for just a second. I'll go with Chrome, so that should be fine.
Or
Yeah,
you need to log in here with WhatsApp. In Zoom, we can share the files directly. I think Zoom don't have option to share the file. Unable to see the screen in the browser. Pari, you can share the screen. Just give us some time.
okay, I'll stop the sharing.
Yes, Raghavendra, you just try another browser once,
Yeah.
and let me know if still it's not working.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Thank you. And also, I'm sending you on the email just in case. Pari, you can share the screen. In the meantime, I'm sharing the file with Raghavendra. Raghavendra, in email also it will not come because these are coding files, and Gmail, it will not allow the files to share the coding files. It will show that it is some privacy issue.
Okay.
So what I can do is on the learn.weball.io, you can go to the chat for this group. Let me share my screen, how you can get the file. Screen 1. So you can come to this digital card. There is a digital card, this workshop, and I'm adding the file here.
Learn dot.
Yeah, learn.weball.io. Come to the messages and then come to our workshop section, free workshop. And here, from here, you can download. So for everyone, if you are not able to download, like in future also, whenever I share the files here, mainly like in front end development in the classes, I keep sharing the files here. So this is also one option.
Okay. In the messages.
Yeah, in the messages and in the free workshop, learn to make your digital card, this one.
Yeah, now I think I was able to download. So I'll just.
Okay, sure. Now let me show you a few more things. So making changes, everyone able to do. Any questions? Anyone? Anyone facing any particular problem in making changes? Any doubt? Okay.
So once we unzip this connect file, so will it be directly displayed on VS Code platform?
No, you have to open the VS Code. Once you open VS Code, I'll show you.
Connect folder is there.
Like once it will open like this, and you need to click on this icon, this left icon, and then it will ask for connect folder or add folder. Some option will be there.
Add folder, correct.
Then you can select that folder.
So yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So great. So making changes, you need two things. One is VS Code to edit the code, open connect in VS Code, and open index.html file in the browser to see the changes. So these two things you have to do parallelly. You will make some changes and then you see the file, this index.html in the browser. So you edit the code in the VS Code and you see the output in the browser. So this is about making changes, and let me show you a few more things. What is there inside this? So what more you can do, achieve? Because the colors I given according to the WebAll. So because everyone, maybe you don't want to use these colors, how to change this? So one thing, and Pari, Ruchita, everyone, you can try this from your side and you can share the screen to show the output. I'm guiding you how to change the colors. Now I have this purple and orangish color. To make the changes, we go to style.css file. Let me increase the font size. So index.html is where your information is there. Whatever is visible to the user, that information. This is the image. In script.js, you have the social links. You have to update these social links. And style.css is the colors. And line number 12, X is for Twitter, Pari. It is for Twitter. Twitter is now brand. Twitter brand is now becomes X. So Twitter new name is X. So yeah, to make the changes in the color, you have to come to the style.css file, and here are the two colors. What you see, one, this is the first color, this is the second color. Now how you can change? You just hover on this and automatically this color picker will come. Once you take your mouse, this color picker will come and simply you can change the colors to anything from here. So let me make it this time little bit different. This is the top color, and bottom color something maybe related to, just let me try some blue and green. Save. And oh, this is too much bright color. I think you need to make little bit darker color, because our text is also white, that's why. So the bright color will not look good. You can take the color little bit on darker shade. Save. And now you see the colors are changed. So depending on your whatever your brand color is there, according to that you can make the changes. So this time I'll take blue, and bottom let me take something, some pinkish color. Save. See, the completely the look and feel is changed. Yes. So Ruchita, Pari, you want to share the screen if you have made some changes in the color? Okay, Pari. Yes.
Rakesh, how do I execute this on the browser?
For browser, we have to open the folder. So wherever we download it, so let's say I have on the desktop, not on the desktop, I have in the, okay, let me just unzip it. So once you unzip, it is on the desktop, right?
Yeah.
Now here, when you open in VS Code, you can change the code, but when you want to see the output, you need to double click this file and it will open in the browser. If by double clicking it is not opening, then you can do right click and open with and select the browser. So you don't need to open any file, only the HTML file will open in the browser. Other files you can't open in browser. You can just make the changes in the VS Code. Got it, Sayed?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, great. Yes, Pari, you can share the screen. Okay. Nice. You can do little bit control minus, control press command minus. You're using Mac. Little one more. Okay, I think press one more time. It looks like some more changes are there. Oh wow, nice. Pari, can you do control minus little one more time? Command minus. Okay, fine. So this is how on mobile it is going to look. So your phone number, email, and you can add multiple things. Now you don't need to use link tree or all those things because it is, I think, not that much customizable. You can change the color, look and feel, anything according to your requirement. This is, I just made a one preset, but you can change according to just little bit CSS knowledge required. If you don't, that also you can use as it is. But there are infinite possibilities how much you can change this. Thank you, Pari. And Rachita, you can share, you can show. Oh, wow, nice. And press control minus once. Rachita, can you press control minus? Okay, perfect. Thank you. Anyone, any questions? Now we will move to the final part. Thank you, Rishta. You can stop sharing. Thank you very much. Now the final part, and once we have more time, I can explain the other doubts. It's 8 now. We have half an hour, so let's try to publish it. Now we make the changes. This is done. Now we will create a repository on GitHub and we make it live so that you have that link with you and you can share to anyone easily. So for example, I have my link, this one, just decode.github.connect. I'll put on the Zoom. Let me put on the group chat and you can open this in mobile. You can try in mobile how it looks. Let me just try the same thing. On the group, I shared my portfolio link on the GitHub. It's looking a little bit big. I need to make the small size little small. So this is how it is coming. This is on GitHub website. Okay. So let's do the last step of this to make it public. I have yes. So we'll make a repository on GitHub and we'll make it a live. Now, who want to share the screen? Pari or Ruchita or others? In others, anyone have? Okay, Pari. Yeah, you can share. So go to, let me stop sharing. Go to browser and go to the GitHub website. Okay, perfect. Now here, this is VS Code. Go to GitHub website. Great. So Pari have already created the GitHub account. Great. So we'll create our first project. And in GitHub terms, we say it as a repository. And there are multiple ways you can create. Like uh, if you have used any software in Photoshop, there are multiple ways you can do the same task. So in GitHub also, like, okay, simple example is new folder. How you create a new folder in Windows? You can use right click, new folder, or you can use the shortcut. So in GitHub also, there are multiple ways you can create a repository, either directly from here. So where it is asking repository name, where Pari cursor is there, this is one place. If this option is not there, then you can click on the plus button on the left top, sorry, right top. There is a plus button. Yeah. And here, new repository. So this option will always be there. You can use this option. Yes, click on new repository. And you can give the name connect or contact, whatever is, and everything in small, not capital. Because whenever URL is there, it should be small. Please, everyone, don't use any like spaces or capital letters in these names. Description you can leave, it's fine. Other things you can leave. Just scroll down and click on create a repository. And we need to keep it public. Yes, so we did, and we can see we don't have any code for now. So coding, first tab is selected code. On the top you have multiple tabs, code, issues. You don't have to worry about anything. Just we have to think about the first tab, code, and the last tab, settings. So first is the code. Now we have to upload the code, whatever 4 files are there here. So Pari, it is a little bit in the middle. It is written uploading an existing file. Yeah, click on that. And here you can drop those 4 files. Not from VS Code, you can drag and drop. You need to open the what we say in Mac, terminal, not finder. Yeah. So select all these files, not folder. Yeah, select all the files and drag in the GitHub. Yes. So now your website is about going to ready in just 1 or 2 minutes. Scroll down. Yeah, for all the files are uploaded. Scroll down and click on commit changes. You can write some message also, like it's just for our understanding, but it's fine if you don't write also. So you see now in the code, we have 4 files. Now files are there. Now we need to make this a URL. Now go to the settings button on the right side. And then on the left side, pages. Yes, pages. And here in the there is a branch in the not this one, on the center branch there is a drop down, not this one, in the center below this, no click outside. Yeah, and below this, yeah, click on none and select the main. So this can be either main or master. For some of you, this can be master or this is the main. So it is in GitHub terms, it is like the main code, your master code, like that. And click on save. So I'll repeat again what we did. Code, settings, pages, branch. Now just wait for 1 minute, Pari, and reload this page. Your URL will be ready. So just wait just 30 seconds. And Ruchita, you're on the same page?
Can you repeat again, like settings?
Yes, settings. Pari, can you show the cursor? So go to the settings, and then on the left hand side, pages. This much is clear, Ruchita?
Yes.
And then from this, after in the center, there is a branch option. From that drop down, select your main or master branch. It's coming.
I'm not getting any branch. Okay, sir.
You are getting the drop down. You uploaded the code.
Yes.
Okay, you can share the screen. So Pari, you can reload the page. We can see already. See, your site is live at this URL. Click on this. Yeah, perfect. So this is your URL, and you can start sharing this URL. And anytime you can make any changes, simply go to the code and make some changes, upload the file. So it's a 3-step process. So that also I'll share. Yeah. Great, Pari.
I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Change this Parida 22 here. No.
You can change. This is your username. You can go to GitHub settings, and there you can change. Go to the go and click on your icon on the right side, right top, and your profile. Edit profile. I scroll down. Somewhere should be there. Scroll down. Okay, it's not here. Go back. Click on the right side again on the icon. So here your profile repository, your organization. Click on the settings. In this drop down, there is a settings option, and then from the left side, account. No, go to top. Click on yeah, here username. So yeah, click on I understand, and you can make the changes to username. You can create other username here. Pari, you can type there some other username. Click and then just type, enter a new username. Yeah, just put whatever username you want. Everything small, not capital. Yes. Now you can go to your repository, that same repository. Go to home. Click on that icon on the left top, and from the left side you can see, yeah, and go to settings. Mostly your URL will be updated. Go to pages. Yes, it's already updated. Done, Pari? Any other question? Okay. Rusta, you can share the screen. Welcome.
So I got this.
Yes, click on the visit site on the right side. Yeah. Okay, great. Congratulations, Ruchita, Pari, and others also. So this is how easy it is. Now we'll see one more thing, how to make any changes, because you now uploaded the file. How to make any changes after making your website live, because it is not like permanent. Sometime you want to change the color, sometime you want to change the picture. So that is also we need to do from time to time. So it's the same process again. make some changes, upload the file this time. And actually it is now easy. You don't have to make the settings pages every time again. You just need to make the changes and upload the file. That's it. So let's see that. Ruchita, can you show the your output once? Your GitHub, yeah, this output. Click on. So here you are using 4 icons. For example, you are using phone number and WhatsApp. Okay. Or let's say you want to put you forget to put full name. So instead of Ruchita, you want to put another name, just for example.
Okay.
Not that one, actually visit my page, that we can make the changes. So it is not proper. It should be V capital then space my, because it is a readable text. It is for the reading purpose.
Yeah.
So this is not correct. Now can you go to your VS Code and make this change? So this will be an HTML file, right? Go to an HTML file. So for everyone, now we are seeing here how to make any changes after uploading the code. Yeah, so make this visit, give space also, visit my page.
Okay.
Save this. And now how many files we changed? Only one file, that is index.html. Now go to the GitHub and go to the code. Now here the uploading, how to upload the file, you have in the there is a green button in the center, and on left side of that there is a add file option. Rusta,
Here.
yeah, this one. So here we have this add file and we just need to replace the file. You can click on upload files, and again you can simply drag and drop the file, or you can click on choose your files, and you can select only the index file, HTML file, because that you changed. Other things are remain same. And click on commit changes. So what we are doing here is we make the changes, we go to the code, and we are adding the file. Yeah, click on commit changes. That's it, done. Now no need to do anything. Automatically after 15 seconds, 30 seconds, your website output will be ready. So go to settings. So basically you can bookmark that URL, Ruchita, next time, or it's better to open in a separate tab so that you don't have to go, don't click on that, click on that visit site. Okay, this is also fine. Yeah, go to new tab. And refresh once again. See, it's changed now. Yeah, great. So this is how easy it is. Just make the change and upload the file. That's it. And Ruchita, here one thing we forget to change. And can you see the tab in the browser? It is showing Rakesh digital card. So this is also we need to make the changes. And this is now you can try the same steps. Actually, it is in the also in the HTML file. So Pari, for you also, maybe it is showing Rakesh digital card on the top. So you can make that changes. It is on. Rusta, can you show again where it is coming?
Yeah.
See here on the top. So it is showing Rakesh digital card.
Just a sec. Let me just check. Yes, it is showing that.
So this we can change from the line number 8.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, you can put your name here. So this is the process to make all the changes and how to create your digital card. And this is what I am doing from last many years. There are multiple options in the market, but generally I don't prefer them because we don't have the control of the design, of the text, of the look and feel, of the functionality. And here we have like 100% control of everything. And if we go for our own domain, for example, thank you, Rista. Let me share my screen.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So this one is done. Making repo folder connect, or you can create contact also. Anything is fine, whatever suits you, and make it live. Yes, everything is done. Awesome. So we are on time also. So what I was telling is, here we have the full control. How you make the changes, which one you want to show, small, big, left, right, everything. And also, if you go to your custom domain, for example, I have hosted this on my custom domain, weball.io and connect. Here, even I can track how many people are visiting my page, what is the number, which button they are clicking, what is the mostly click items. Once we implement analytics, Google Analytics, all those things. So here, all the control is within us, within like 100%, you can track everything regarding the design, look and feel, and also the numbers. How many people click on the email, how many people click on the WhatsApp, all these things on social links.
This is
So this is
available on where? In GitHub.
in GitHub, you can't do the tracking because it's a free service. If you upload on your domain and attach analytics, Google Analytics, then you can do those things.
Okay.
Yes. So if you want to go one more step, now you have the control of the design, look and feel. But if you want to do the control of the traffic, how many people are coming, clicking, so that we can do with Google Analytics. And Google Analytics we can attach only in our product. So we can't attach on GitHub because it's a free service. That's why. Yes. So this is about the digital visiting card. And last part is connect. So that for that, first of all, before going to that, how was the workshop, everyone? Is it useful?
Yeah, Rakesh, it was very useful. The first time I just actually meddled with some code in my life. Now it is
Okay.
easy actually. Yeah.
Thank you, Ravindra. How about others? Ruchita, Pari? Pari is saying great. Okay, in the chat, very useful. Yes. Yes, Sayed, thank you.
Yeah, Rakesh, although I couldn't do it, but I feel it is quite easy, and once I reach home, I think I should give it a try on my own, and I will give you a feedback whether I was able to do it or not.
Yes, thank you, Kiran, so much.
Yeah.
So what everyone can do is what
very nicely done. It was very, very well. I mean, it was very. You have demonstrated it very effectively. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kiran. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, everyone. Now I want everyone who have your digital card, you can share me the link, because if I want to give any feedback, I can give you. If you need to make some changes, like Ruchita wrote, visit my web page in small letters, so that should be capital. You can put on the group you don't have access. Maybe you can personally message me your URL so that I can give you the feedback. Yes, so that's it for today. And last part is for connect. This is for like if you want to connect with the WebAll, you want to join the courses. For that, if you are not that much like interested in that, you are free to like leave, jump out of the workshop. That's completely fine. And just let me. So I didn't ask Ravi. Ravi, how was the this workshop? Very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, now I'll just share you how you can connect with WebAll in if you want to go one step ahead. So we have this. I created different courses, different kind of memberships. So the first membership start with Web Development Success Bundle. So can I go ahead with this one? Everyone, okay?
Yeah.
How you can connect with WebAll?
Rakesh, one thing I like to say.
Yes, sir.
No, this is your I just want to see maybe a presentation and how exactly you present to your student. Maybe this is how you present it.
To students.
Yeah. So you can just demonstrate that one so that we will also get an idea on how exactly to go about the courses that you are providing to the students.
Okay.
What are the courses
Okay.
that I hope in this we can find that one.
Got it.
So it will be better
So
if we can demonstrate this one.
the same process, everything.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just about to say that thing. What is in the course? This course.
Okay, fine.
So yes, thank you, Sayed, for the question. And Raghavendra, I think you shared this GitHub link. You just need to make a web page for this from settings. Okay, no problem. We'll do this. Let me finish this part. How you can connect with WebAll. So we have this web development success bundle. Now here, okay, let me bring the, what are the courses are there, what you will get if you join this. Let me see where is the link for that. GitHub, yeah, this one. Everything I manage mostly in GitHub. See, this is my membership is also in GitHub. Now, some of you already seen this before, but now you will get the idea why I use GitHub, because I can go back to the history. Because if I'm making some notes with me, I can go back what I did 1 month back, 2 months back, because in GitHub, we can see the whole history. For example, for this connect page, you can see the history 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago. And if I click on 3 commits, so in GitHub, what I did on April 5, then August 7, August 15, this is every company is using GitHub or Bitbucket. There is alternate tools also. Every software company is using these tools. Without these tools, it is not possible to survive in the software field, in the IT field. So let me share you what is available in this branch. So this is what we have, this first course, so that you will get the idea about the whole WebAll thing. So we have the 4 courses. This is HTML, CSS, JavaScript intro to understand the basic coding things, like how HTML will work, how CSS is working, how JavaScript is working, so that you can make changes more easily once you have the ground idea of the language. Then more about VS Code, what are the different shortcuts, how to use it more efficiently. And here is the what Sayed you are asking, digital visiting card. So here I will make a like here will be the more proper recording of whatever process I explained. So this will be the course specifically designed only for the this digital visiting card, what we did now. Then here everything about GitHub website, how to upload it, how to manage it, how to do commit push, and how to make a live URL, and what Pari asked, how to change the username, that thing. These are the primary courses are there. Then we have some bonus in this. What are the bonus courses? For that, how to set up domain and hosting. So as I told you, this GitHub is fine, but you can't do all the tracking here because it's a free service, GitHub, and also GitHub is coming in between. If you want everything 100% control, already it is 100% with respect to the design, but if you want to do the tracking thing also, you need to go on your own domain, like this weball.io connect. For this, there is a separate course that will how to do a domain hosting, and then how to connect your this contact page with the domain. Then why web development is very important to learn for everyone, not only for developers, but for a business person also. Because when you go for a freelancing, when you give your project to someone, you should know how much they can charge you. It's not like for 10,000 they are charging 30 50,000 for small things. So that is, this course is for that purpose. To understand what different technologies, what is the general the pricing model. And here regarding the WebAll, our more in detail, what is the vision, mission, values of the WebAll. And here whatever workshop recordings are there, so this recording I will upload as a bonus. So whoever joined this course, all the recordings will be available here. So these are the bonuses. Then we have the features, Android and iOS app access. So maybe I'll enable the chat there so that you can also send the message only for the the students who join the course. Then we have some private group sessions, certificate also will provide. And in this one-to-one, 4 one-to-one clarity calls of 30 minutes each. So total 2 hours. It can go a little bit up and down. So that if you face any difficulty in any of these courses, we can discuss here. Or if you have any general questions about the business or about web development, that we can discuss here. Then we have different challenges, normal to make this in 48 hours. Then, so these are some challenges are there. And if you go for another membership, then already who are the students, they will get 30% off. So like if you go to another next level, then current student will get 30% off. And currently I have kept the price already, I showed you now. So the price, actual price, what I am thinking of the exact like proper value of this is 6,999. But because I am starting this online for the first time, so I kept it whatever is minimum as possible, just 799. So this is about the course, everything. If you want to connect with WebAll, so you can start with Web Development Success Bundle. Yes. So any questions here? Anyone?
In the bronze membership itself, you're going ahead with 4 one-to-one calls. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So let me know separately. Also, you can let me know if you are interested in joining WebAll through the course. And here is the link for that. And this will I keep only for 15th August. So I thought today's Independence Day and I'm starting something new. So let me keep the price whatever is minimum possible. So here is the Web Development Success Bundle, and this is just I learned this from my mentor Siddharth Rashikar. Just pizza offer, and here what do you want a special gift today? So total overall 4 courses, 4 bonus courses, mobile app access, Android, iOS, private groups. So I can enable the chatting only for the students. Otherwise, because more students will keep on joining the group, so it is not possible for me to enable the chatting in the group. But if it's student, then I can enable so that we can discuss normally. Then 4 one-to-one clarity calls, certificate, and offers on future products. Total value is 6,999, and today's offer is 799. Yes. Thank you, everyone. So I'm very happy that we are almost on time, like exactly 8:28 now. Wow. So it was 90-minute workshop, and I'm happy to finish almost on time. Anyone, any doubt regarding the digital card, regarding GitHub, VS Code, browser, or the course, anything?
Yeah, Rakesh, I have not yet completed doing this visiting this digital
Okay.
card. I need to still do. If you can share the recording, then I'll just see and then complete it.
Okay. Sure. I'll help you, Sayed. I'll message you separately.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Or if you are already almost done, then we can remain on the call and I can help you. If you are already okay, let's you need some time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Got it. Okay. Thank you, Sayed. Anyone, any questions?
No, Rakesh, I don't
Okay.
have any questions.
Oh, Raghavendra, I can see your card. Wow, perfect. Great.
I haven't connected the social links yet, but the other things are done.
Yeah, this looks great. Nice. Great. Okay, it's 8:30. If no questions, we can wrap up on the time.
Yeah.
So everyone fine? We can wrap up today's workshop. You can put in the comments if just one word if you want, or maybe I can is it okay if I send you the review link? At least if you don't join the course, I can ask for the review. I'll send you personal messages for the review. So if you like the workshop, you can give your feedback there. Yes?
Yes, Rakesh,
Great.
please do send it. We are happy
Sure.
to share the reviews for you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. And thank you very much for joining today on Independence Day. I was thinking whether you are able to join or not, but thank you so much. I'll remember this workshop. Yes, we started on 15 hours. Thank you and have a good night. Happy Independence Day again.
Thank you, Rakesh.
Thank you,
Happy-
Rakesh.
You too.
Thank you very much, Rakesh-san.
Thank you.
It's a great workshop.
Yes.
Thanks, everyone.